Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video lecture we are going to talk about Uttarakhand. So first let's discuss about some prominent persons who ruled Uttarakhand during British's time. That is to say Kumaon commissioners. You all know the geography of Uttarakhand, you know.
This is our India. This is our India, and some here. Uttarakhand lies. Uttarakhand, which is rectangular in shape, before the advent of Britishers in Uttarakhand, some small battles were fought, like Battle of Nala Pani. See, first of all, you have to figure it out that where the Uttarakhand is. So it is Uttarakhand in the map of India. India seems like this, now. This is Ladakh, and this is Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Here is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, और यहाँ पर we have Uttarakhand. So without any hustle and bustle, without wasting any more time, let's start our topic. So first of all, I was going to tell you about Battle of Nala Pani. You have to remember the respective year of Battle of Nala Pani, that is on 31st October 1814. And guys, one thing I want to tell you, I'm using this pen and paper, so I hope the same from your side, because it is one of the easiest manner to read, to learn. See, this battle was fought between Britishers and who else? See, prior to Britishers, regional power was ruling here. You have seen the boundary adjacent to Uttarakhand. We have Nepal. So this particular Uttarakhand, before the advent of Britishers, it was ruled by Gorkhas, or we can say Nepalis, and it was ruled by Bal Bahadur Singh Thapa. Are you getting my point? So there was a furious battle between these two persons. Under Britishers, under Gillespie, there was one person, Gillespie. Gillespie is a British resident, okay, who was residing in Uttarakhand, and he had some problems with this particular person, Bal Bahadur Singh Thapa. This battle was so furious that both of these persons died in this battle. And you will be furious to know that there is one fort, Fort of Gannath. और हिंदी में इसे बोलते हैं गाइस गन्नाथ का किला. Let me write it for you. After this battle, monuments of both these persons, Gillespie and Bal Bahadur Singh Thapa, their idols have been created, or you can say for their remembrance. Yeah, one battle was fought here in this particular land, and this particular land is land of Kalapani, which is in Dehradun. Okay, are you getting my point? See, this was the incident of 31st October 1814. On the same year, just after 14 days, on 14th December, one and a half month, around on 14th December, Britishers took the help of local residents of Uttarakhand. Among these local residents, Harsdev Joshi was prominent figure. See, you might be knowing about this particular place, Uttarakhand. Its eastern side is called Kumaon and western portion is called Garhwal. In Kumaon, Chandra dynasty was ruling, while in Garhwal, Pawar dynasty was ruling just before invasion of Gorkhas. Are you getting this point? In Kumaon region, Chand dynasty was prevailing, and in Garhwal region, Pawar dynasty was prevailing. As soon as Gorkhas came, they captured the territory. So this particular person, Harsdev Joshi, have seen tenure of 3 rulers, or we can say 3 mighty empires. Like, first of all, he was in the service of Chandra dynasty. Secondly, he was also contemporary to Pawar dynasty, because both were ruling in the same region in the different direction. One was ruling in eastern direction and other was ruling in the western direction. And even he also saw the rules of Gorkha and as well as Britishers. So this is the fact you must be knowing. This can be asked. Again, with the help of some local peoples, among which Harsdev Joshi was prominent. So on this particular day, 14th December 1814, just 1 month after Children's Day is observed, a big tension was going between these persons in this particular area of Uttarakhand. And see, just after few months, just on 23rd April 1815, see, this date is important. this particular place, Gannath Danda, which is in Almora. Okay, one temple is also there by the name Gannath Temple. And if someone asks you where the particular place, in which place of Almora this Gannath Temple or Gannath Danda is located, so you have to say that it is located in Takula. Are you getting my point? And that too, there is one peak, mountain peak, in which this particular Gannath temple is situated or constructed, has been constructed. That peak name is Danda Peak. Danda Peak. Or you can write in English, Danda. One fact more I forgot to tell you is that in this particular battle of Nalapani, which was fought on 31st October 1814, both these persons, Gillespie as well as Bal Bahadur Singh Thapa, they died. ये मैंने बताया था आई गेस, और तभी इनका स्मारक बनाया गया यहाँ पे. दीज नेम्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, सो इसे रट लेना. सो व्हेन नाउ यू सी दैट ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डे 23rd of April, fight between Britishers versus Gorkhas. Okay, this date is very important, guys. From here only you will see the battle of Sagoli. Sagoli की युद्ध और सगोली की ट्रीटी है, ऐसे कुछ जो भी है. सो इस पर्टिकुलर डे में 23rd अप्रैल को, ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डे, जब ये फाइट होती है, व्हेन देयर वाज अ फियर्स बैटल बिटवीन दीज टू पर्सन्स, दीज टू रूलर्स वी कैन से, और these two foreigners, whatever you can say that. So Gorkhas got several damages in respect of properties. Okay, they got a lot of property lost, money lost. During war, what happens? You have recently seen the Nepal war by Genji. Just after this particular battle, which was held on the peak of Dalda at particular place Gannath Danda at Almora, just 4 days after this, on 27th of April, Britishers captured, Almora. And then, Subedar. Actually, this particular region, Uttarakhand, was ruled by this particular area, Nepal. Nepal's king used to set his one agent called Subedar in this particular area, Uttarakhand, by the name of Subedar, and his name was Bamsa Chotriya. This Bamsa Chotriya, who was, a Nepali Subedar, Subba. And while this entire proceedings was going in India, the contemporary Governor General of India was Hastings, Lord Hastings. It is not that one, huh? It is not Warren Hastings. It's simply Hastings. So this could be also asked. During all these battles of this Nalapani, Treaty of Sagoli, who was the Governor General of India? So your answer would be Mr. Hastings. And again, I am telling this name is very important, Bamsa Chotriya. And when these Britishers captured this particular place, Almora, so in the same day there was a treaty held, agreement signed between Britishers and Nepalis and Gorkhas, we can say, Treaty of Sagoli. Okay, this treaty is also known by the other name Anglo-Gorkha Treaty. Are you getting my point? And what happened? This particular place, Sagoli is a place in Bihar. Just see the figure of this particular place. This is Uttarakhand, this is Nepal, and somewhere here you will see the particular place Bihar. So here in Bihar a place is called Sagoli. So इस जगह पर अंग्रेजों और गोरखाओं के बीच में एक एग्रीमेंट होता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं ट्रीटी ऑफ सगोली. और एग्जाम में गाइस ये भी पूछा जाता है कि ट्रीटी ऑफ सगोली किसके बीच में हुई थी? ब्रिटिशर्स, जाहिर सी बात है, ब्रिटिशर्स वर्सेस गोरखा. लेकिन आपको ये पता होना चाहिए ब्रिटिशर्स में कौन पर्सन था. तो जो कुमाऊं का उस समय हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो गवर्नर या कमिश्नर हम कह सकते हैं, एडविन गार्डनर था ना. ही वॉज द फर्स्ट कमिश्नर ऑफ कुमाऊं कमिश्नर गार्डनर. और गोरखाओं की तरफ से कौन होएगा? दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन बमसा चौतरिया. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? तो ओवरऑल कहने का मतलब है यही जो ट्रीटी है इसी को सगोली की संधि बोला जाता है, सगोली की संधि के नाम से जाना जाता है. और डेट रेलिवेंट है. डेट कौन सी है? 27 अप्रैल 1815. किसके बीच में हुआ? एडविन गार्डनर वर्सेस दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन नोन बमसा चौतरिया. And you must be knowing about this particular place, Nepal. On this particular day, 4 March 1816, East India Company adopted the Treaty of Sagoli. So what was there in Treaty of Sagoli? This is a interesting figure, na? So someday we will discuss on this particular thing. And as soon as this treaty was adopted by the Britishes, so the portion of Uttarakhand was divided into two parts. One is Tihri and one is Kumaon Commissionary. Are you getting my point? And one person here is also relevant. His name is Prithvi Shah. Prithvi Shah was the Raja, we can say. पृथ्वी शाह या जिसे परिपूर्ण नंद या पीतम शाह भी बोलते थे. He was also the one person who signed in this particular treaty. Treaty of Sagoli. He also signed. He was a very rich person. You might be knowing about Pawar dynasty. So in today's video, this much information is enough. So for the timing, this is the first episode of Uttarakhand's history. How British rule started in Uttarakhand. Now we'll see also the development in Uttarakhand during British's. Okay, each and everything we are going to look. So stay calm and stay quiet and always have a pen and paper whenever you're reading and writing, and come in the writing mode. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, do not forget to subscribe, to like and to comment and tell me right now how was the information that I gave to you. I think this was more than enough. And if I am forgetting anything, let me check once. Yes, I am also telling you two persons' name. Okay, let me write it here. Their name was Gazraj Mishra. Okay. And the other person was Chandrasekhar Upadhyay. Sorry Upadhyay ji, I just forgot you. अब देखिए ये जो है ये प्लेस संगरौली कहाँ पर है? बिहार में ना. तो यहाँ पे उत्तराखंड के दो बंदे जाते हैं जिनका नाम है गजराज मिश्रा एंड चंद्रशेखर उपाध्याय. ये संगरौली में जाते हैं उत्तराखंड से और यहाँ पे जो है एक ब्रिटिशर से मिलते हैं जिसका नाम, एक ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर से मिलते हैं बेसिकली, और उसका नाम होता है ब्रॉडेसो. ठीक है, हिंदी में अगर आपको लिखना होगा तो आप ऐसे लिख लेना, ब्रॉडेसो. ठीक है, ये ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. कौन गए थे उत्तराखंड से? गजराज मिश्र और चंद्रशेखर उपाध्याय. कहाँ गए थे? सगोली. सगोली कहाँ है? बिहार में. किससे मिले थे? एक ऑफिसर और ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर ब्रॉडशो. इस ऑफिसर से मिलकर इन्होंने ये ट्रीटी ऑफ जो सगोली जो साइन की थी, किसने की थी? यहाँ पे जो नरेश हुआ करते थे, गढ़वाल नरेश, क्या नाम था इनका? पृथ्वी शाह या परिपूर्ण चंद या फिर प्रीतम शाह. इन्होंने अपने हस्ताक्षर जैसे किए तो इस पत्र को ये यहाँ पर लेके गए ब्रॉडशो. ठीक है, ब्रॉडशो के पास गए. ऑफिशियली जो भी काम होता है तो यहाँ से फिर this particular region was divided into two parts that I told you, Tihri and Kumaon Commissionary. Tihri wala portion is always this one portion, Garhwal one, and Kumaon Commissionary where it was a British province. It was directly ruled by officers. Okay, so as an officer, Edward Gardner was the first officer who was appointed here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Really, I am saying do subscribe the channel. You will having a great experience and you will be having a lot of knowledge. Thank you so much for watching, for giving your precious time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.